In the digital marketing, right, there is a famous mantra. It's called publish or perish, or it is also alternatively known as produce, publish, and promote. And what it is really you should be able to produce cornerstone content, value-added content, thought leadership content that will allow you to get discovered. That is given. Then a publish is really all about you should be able to publish this content in front of the right eyeballs where your target audience is hanging. And then promote is basically all about you should be able to not rely on what is called build it and they will come strategy that is not working anymore, because our attention spans are on decline. And then the supply and demand of content that is getting produced and content that is there is a lot of astronomical difference that is happening. So produce, publish, and promote is certainly a viable strategy. But even before that, I sincerely believe that there is one singular skill that if we acquire that will allow us to separate ourselves from our peers, our competition. And that skill is called you should be able to know how to organize the information.